Now I'm going to move on to the third group in the Core Data tab. I'm going to go to Consultants to show you how you can set up your consultants for reuse so that you don't have to retype people's addresses, etc. all the time. Again, in a system where you have central data for multiple users, this is particularly useful. You can set up a list of consultants, and they carry a type. You should be able to find the consultant type that you want to enter. However, if it's not present, you can actually enter the new consultant type by double clicking, and it will open the consultant type so that you can enter a new one. So I'm just going to set up a new one, as you see, and then I'm going to go to a new consultant record, and I'm going to call it Movie World, and I'm going to look for film set consultants, and it's not there. So what I can do is I can press F5 to refresh that type, and I can start typing in the consultant type. Notice that you can type in the first few characters and it will find the relevant entry for you. This is called type ahead. So it works in multiple places. If you're looking for a trade called earthworks, you can type in EAR and it will complete the word for you. So we can type in an address, etc., and a physical address, and fill in the consultants. Okay, that's just to show you how it works. And then we have a set of system packages. This is for jobs where you're going to have, let's say, a bulk earthworks contractor, specialist balustrading. If you want to create mini bills, when we get to the cost plan, I'll show you how they can be set up, and also when we get to the bill, how you can measure separate mini bills for a particular package. The default package, of course, is principal contract for the main builder's work. And we have a list of trades. I see this trade list is not in the correct order, so I'm sorting it in ascending order, so that we can actually see the trades in the normal progression of the job work to be completed. You shouldn't need to add additional trades. These are the standard bill trades as per the ASAQS library, but it may be necessary for you later on in your bills of quantities to create a rogue trade which combines items from more than one standard trade. For example, fencing and gates, or shop fronts, which would use aluminium and glazing, both trades. Fencing and gates would use perhaps earthworks and masonry and then some metalwork. I'll show you that later, but this is a list of standard trades. What you should note about the system packages and the system trades is that when you create a new job, a set of system packages and system trades is actually put into your job for you, so that your job carries the standard set of packages and trades, and those can actually be changed in your job. The same applies to the units of measure, so that you can add a particular new unit of measure into your job data just for this job. Okay, we'll get there in a little while.